we're applying pressure on that locking mechanism and the wood itself. So this frame, the door frame itself is made of what, like a 2x6 or a 2x4, depending. It's going to be stronger wood, and then you'll have this flimsy little door with a little male into a little female. And what you're aiming for, you're aiming your shotgun not directly in, you're aiming it into where the female end is. If you defeat the female end, the male end has nothing to hold on to. Does that make sense?
Good job.